Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today, we're taking a quick look at the Yamaha XT250, a lightweight dual-sport motorcycle built for both city streets and off-road adventures. Let's see what makes this bike so popular. Engine and performance. The Yamaha XT250 is powered by a 249 cubic centimeters air-cooled, fuel-injected, single-cylinder engine. It delivers smooth, reliable performance with excellent fuel efficiency, making it ideal for daily commuting and weekend trail rides. Design and comfort. The XT250 features a slim body, comfortable upright riding position, and low seat height, making it easy for beginners and experienced riders alike. Its lightweight frame offers great control on rough terrain and paved roads. Features. This bike comes with electric start, fuel injection for dependable performance in different weather conditions, long travel suspension, and dual-purpose tires that handle both dirt trails and highways with confidence. Conclusion. The Yamaha XT250 is a dependable, versatile motorcycle that combines simplicity, comfort, and off-road capability. If you're looking for a bike that can handle both everyday rides and outdoor adventures, the XT250 is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to King Bike for more motorcycle reviews and exciting bike content.